Panasonic Lumix camera's autofocus system is notoriously bad for video. One of the most annoying things I found about their autofocus is that when you are shooting anything with very bright backgrounds, contrasting anything in front of the bright background, usually the bright sky, the rapid focus hunting will result in an extremely distracting flashing effect. This hunting behavior exhibits mostly at the beginning of a clip. It lasts anywhere from 2 to 5 seconds, during which the camera was simply shifting the focus back and forth to reassure the focus. This kind of autofocus technology, unfortunately, results in this terrible flash that forced me to think twice before I hit record button in autofocus mode. So here's a solution to it. You can use the AF-AE lock to make sure that focus stays at one place and doesn't jump around. Simply go to the menu, find Focus Settings, switch on the AF-AE lock hold. This way you can simply press the AF-AE lock button once and it will stay locked onto the subject that you focused on, and the camera won't try to refocus on anything. It won't try to find focus points anymore. Stay right there. So as long as you don't unlock it by pressing the same button again, it should stay the same. So now you can get rid of the annoying glitchy look in the background. And let's take a look at some samples. Alright, so it is proven that it works. It helps with the focus hunting issue. But it is a nuisance. You know, every time you shoot a clip, you have to press the AF-AE lock button. It's kind of annoying. You know, it's just a little extra step you have to take in order to shoot a clean clip with the GH5 or any Panasonic cameras. So it's annoying, but yeah, we have to deal with it. Otherwise, you can just shoot manual focus. Actually, it is actually very pleasant to use manual focus with Lumix lenses, especially this 10 to 25mm f1.7 lens has a manual focusing clutch and it's linear. So the focus is very precise and it is so fun to manual focus with this lens, but with other lenses it might be a little bit more difficult. And right now I'm using the AF lock, so it doesn't hunt anywhere. No matter where I turn, it doesn't hunt to the back. It locks onto my face. And if I want to change the subject, if I want to shoot the background, then I will press the AF lock button again and unlock it. And now you can focus on the background. I'm sure it hunts a little bit while it changes subject. Let's focus on me again. Yeah, it's a little bit annoying to deal with this, but yeah, it is a Panasonic system. The autofocus system is like this. And also when you zoom in and out, this kind of hunting appears a lot, and it's very hard to control them because a lot of lenses are not parfocal. So when you zoom in and out, it's inevitable that you have to, the lens has to readjust the focus. And inevitably will create that crazy flash in the back. So yeah, that's another difficulty. But yeah, the best thing you can do is to use manual focus, and the second best thing is probably just use the AF lock to eliminate all those hunting. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.